Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up multi-step sign-up UX with Firebase step-by-step clearly. Begin by creating a new project in the Firebase console. Navigate to the Firebase console and click on Create a Project. Give your project a name and click Continue. Select Next, click on Authentication from the left sidebar. In the Authentication section, click on Get Started. Select the Sign-in Method tab and enable the email/password provider. Now, click on Database in the left sidebar. Choose Real-Time Database and click on Create Database. Select Start in Test Mode and click Next. Set your database location and click Done. Now, navigate to the Storage option. Click Get Started and choose the default settings to enable storage. In your Firebase project settings, add your app. Click on the gear icon and select Project Settings. Choose the General tab and under your apps, click Add App. Select your platform, either web, iOS, or Android. Follow the prompts to register your app. Now, include Firebase SDK in your app. For web, add the Firebase scripts to your HTML file. Initialize Firebase in your app using your configuration object. Now, set up your multi-step sign-up form. Create HTML forms for each step of the sign-up process. Use CSS or frameworks like Bootstrap to style your forms. Implement JavaScript to handle form navigation. On each step, validate user input before proceeding to the next step. Once the final step is submitted, grab all user information. Create a new user using Firebase authentication. Use the Create User with Email and Password method for email/password signup. Store additional user data in your real-time database. After user creation, redirect to a welcome page or dashboard. Test your multi-step signup to ensure all parts work smoothly. Debug any issues that arise during testing. Finally, refine your UI/UX based on user feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.